Hello amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Aryan Kumar and today I am going to teach you all about numericals of theoretical yield and practical yield alongside with percentage yield as well. As we are going through our first ever chapter of chemistry's book, that is stoichiometry. Again, this is our last topic. After this, I guess so we are having self-assessment questions as well that we will solve on my channel as well. So you can go through it after the video. You can go through other videos as well, such as limiting reactants, what is stoichiometry, numerical software, mass to mass relationship, mass to volume relationship, and its numericals. Again, there are a lot of various discoveries on my channel, such as SAT, again physics, physical physics, vectors, chemistry, stoichiometry, and various topics that are again knowledgeable. Okay, so let's start with our today's topic, that is numericals of theoretical and practical yield. Page number 16, starting with 1.17, that is our first example. According to the above equation, or you can simply say chemical equation, that is CaCO3 plus 2HCl, that gives us CaCl plus carbon dioxide, that is CO2 plus H2O. Now the given amount for them is 50 gram for CaCO3, right, and 14.52 gram for CaCl2, that is our reactant of the product, that simply gives us 14.52 gram. Now, as you guys know, if we are having any type of configuration into mass, then we have to convert it into moles. Meanwhile, if we are having any accommodation into moles, then we have to convert it to mass, that gives us unit of kg. Again, there are a lot of unit for mass, not for moles, so you can figure it out. So let's make our data at first. CaCO3 as given in the question, 50 grams, CO2, that is carbon dioxide, for 14.52. We'll go through CaCO3. First of all, we have to convert it into um, moles, right? This is in grams. The formula for it is moles equal to given mass upon molecular mass. Now, if I talk about the molecular mass of it, it is 100. You can simply calculate out by multiplying them together. First of all, having their atomic masses, then altogether multiplying it by 3. That will give you their molecular mass. Meanwhile, the given mass is 50 gram as per the equation. Simply divide them and have your answer, that is 0.5 moles per um, I can say the value that is given above. Okay, now 1 mole of CaCO3 gives 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide. What value 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide, not carbon dioxide, CaCO3 will give carbon dioxide? Now let's find it out. For finding carbon dioxide, that is 14.52 gram, we have to use the equation of, we have to basically rephrase the equation. So CO2 equals to mole multiplied by the molecular mass. Given mass equals to moles multiplied by molecular mass. Again, the molecular mass for carbon dioxide will be 44. You can simply evaluate it like this: 12 and 36, adding them together, that will give you 44. Okay, so that is our answer for theoretical yield and carbon dioxide as well. Now, how will you find a percentage yield? As I taught you about the formula above, that is practical yield upon theoretical yield multiplied by 100 will give you the exact amount of percentage yield that is asked. So you'll apply the formula, you'll put your practical yield as per the equation, you will apply again your I can say theoretical yield, that is 22, and multiply it by 100. That will simply give you the answer as 66. So yeah, that was how we solved our first ever numerical. Afterwards, let's check another numerical that is totally based upon the same trick and tips that we applied right here. Again, we can have different values, different elements, different type of equations, but we can figure it out as we are already having enough concept for it. So let's move forward. Alright guys, now here we are having another chemical equation. This is 1.18, again the same page number 16. You can go through your book and check these equations out. Two elements of aluminum plus 3 chlorides, that is simply giving us the reactant as 2 aluminum chloride. Okay, so that is our equation, that is the given mass as well. Okay, again we are having given masses as, okay, let me just type the data right here, not type, it is right. Okay, 16 gram of aluminium. Okay, and 650 gram of aluminium chloride. Now you might have thought in your mind that now we'll simply convert these to moles. At a point, yes, you are right, we'll convert them to the moles, then again we'll solve them for the masses. Now how we'll do that? First of all, convert mass into moles as per the equation, as per the thought that came firstly into your mind. Let's do it first. Moles equals to given mass upon molar mass as per the formula. Again, we'll simply imply the given mass, that is 160 upon 27, that is its you can say molecular mass of aluminium, multiplied by 2. The actual mass multiplied by 2 will give you the actual molecular mass that is mean to be applied in the equation. We'll simply have 5.925 moles. Okay, now if 2 moles of aluminium gives 2 moles of aluminium chloride, right, 2 moles of aluminium gives us 2 moles of aluminium chloride, then what value 5.925 moles will give us for 5.925 aluminium chloride? Now for doing that, we can simply have an adequate idea for it, such as halving out the two. If 2 moles of aluminium will give 2 moles of aluminium chloride, then 1 mole will give 2 upon 2 moles of aluminum chloride, that is kind of equal to 2, not 2, 1.25 I guess so. So for getting the value for 5.925, we'll simply multiply it by 2 upon 2, that is equivalent to 1 point something, as equivalent to 1 mole of aluminium. So that will simply give us our theoretical yield of the equation. Simply multiplying it, it will give us the theoretical yield. We'll have our answer. Our theoretical yield equals to 791 right here. Then we'll simply apply the percentage yield formula. Our practical yield was 650. We'll divide it by 791, that was our theoretical yield, multiply it by 100 and have our answer as 82.17 percentage according to the equation. Yeah, so that is it for today's video. I hope you liked it, and kind of conceptual video that will help you at a lot of prospects. Try to share it with your friends, let them acknowledge about this concept as well. Yeah, see you in our next video. Bye bye, sayonara.